Hey everyone, I am Rajat Tyagi. So today we are going to set up our React project with VS Code and prettier. So let's first create our React project with create React app. So npx create React app. I'm going to name this project React Designs. You can name it whatever you are creating project for. React Designs. So it will start downloading content from the web and create a React project for us. So I'm going to fast forward it. So guys, the project setup is completed. So let's re into it. React Designs. Then open this in Visual Studio Code. So as you can see, this is a source file and this is a package.json file the React create React app has created. So if we run this project right now, this will work. So as you can see guys, the application is working, but we need to do some setup before the prettier will start work. So right now if I press Ctrl S, nothing is getting. If our formatting is wrong, so nothing is we are not getting any warnings and errors, and it is working fine. If there is an error in the code, then we are getting error, but not any formatting error. So for working with prettier, we need to install prettier as a dev dependency first. So I'm going to stop this server right now. npm I capital D prettier. So as you can see, after installing prettier as a dev dependency, we can see prettier here. So we are also going to install Eslint plugin prettier. So as you can see, this package is also installed. So after installing this, we have these two dev dependencies with us. So right now also, if I press Ctrl S, nothing is happening. So we need to also set up some Eslint files. So first I'm going to create one file called eslintrc dot eslintrc file. So in this we are going to create a file as React app plugins prettier rules prettier and end of line. Okay, it is already showing here. You are getting this prettier error now because of this Eslint file. Now if I press Ctrl S, still not saving us. So because we need to, I haven't added that, so we'll add vscode settings here. Format on save to format of save to tab size to default formatter prettier VS Code. So you have added this settings file for saved, and I'm keep my tab size 2. Eslint settings we have added. So after this, if I print Control S, you can see if my settings are use double quotes and always end a statement with semicolon. So you can change these settings in the prettier settings. So as you can see, after adding this Control S, we are able to, if I remove these, and you can see we are now getting an Eslint error. If I Control S, then it all automatically formats our file in the correct order. So this is a boilerplate code. You can see now it will format like this. However you are writing the code, h1 something is here. So when you press Control S, it will automatically format your code in a nicely manner. Thank you guys for watching this video. Just like and subscribe and share it with your friends.